Hello kids. Today we are going to revise the lesson conquering distances means means of transport and communication lesson. Okay. So in conquering distances lesson we learned about evolution of transport and roadways, railways, waterways, and airways. Understood, no kids? We all learned this one, all points in conquering distances lesson. So, the whole lesson we are going to revise in some points. Let us revise. Now we are going to revise the conquering distances lesson. Roadways, railways, waterways and airways form a network of transport system of our country. Roadway, railway, waterway, airway form a network of transport system of a country. The invention of steam engine revolutionized transport. The invention of steam engine revolutionized transport. Expressway or freeways connect major cities. Expressway or freeways connect the two major cities, more major cities. The railway network connects the important cities and towns of the country. The railway network connects the important cities, towns of the country. Water transport greatly help in transporting people and carrying cargo across very long distances. Water transport greatly helps in transporting people and carrying cargo across a very long distances. Air travel or air transport is the fastest and most expensive mode of transport. Air India is the India's national airline with destinations in countries all over the world. Air travel or air transport is the fastest and most expensive mode of transport. Air India is the India's national airline with the destinations in the countries all over the world. Okay kids, here lesson revision over. Now we are going to revise the exercise. We already solved it. Fill in the blanks. We filled it. Give the examples given. Match the following. We did it. Answer the questions. Now we are going to revise. Okay. So let us see here. Question 1. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct option from those given in the bracket. Rafts. Options are rafts, rail, ports, expressways, freeways, Bangkok. A. Early man built rafts. Answer is rafts and later small boats to transport people and goods. B. Canal taxis are frequently used in Bangkok with its network of canals. C. Developed countries have a network of highways, also called the expressway or freeway. Developed countries have a network for highways, also called the expressways or freeways. D. Rail transport is the affordable and most common mode of long distances transportation in India. Rail transport is the affordable and most common mode of long distances transportation in India. Next E. The ports are the main center of trade for any country. Ports are the main center of the trades for any countries. Okay, kids, fill in the blanks over. Now we are going to revise the give 3 examples of for each of the following. International airports in India. Write the international airports in India: Delhi, Mumbai, Chennai, Bengaluru, Kochi and Hyderabad. Next, important Indian seaports: Chennai, Kochi, Khandla, Mumbai. Types of roads: Kacha road, highways, expressways, grand truck roads. Now types of cargo: food grains, minerals ores and the other raw materials. Types of cargos: food grain cargo, minerals ores and the other raw materials. Now question 3, match the columns. Column A and column B, 2 columns are there, we already matched it. A, steam engine, made way of steamers and railways engines. Steam engine made way for the steamers and the railway engines. Expressway, connect longer distances in the shorter time. Expressway connect the longer distance in the shorter time. Grand truck road, Badashahi Sarak. Khandla, Kochi, major seaports. Khandla, Kochi, major seaports. Okay, kids. Now, here just we revise it, match the columns. Now we are going to revise the answer the following questions. How did the steam engine revolutionized transport? How did steam engine is the revolutionized transport? Answer: the invention of the steam engine played a major role in improving the transportation of the people of goods. The steam engine were used in the bigger boats, steamers and the railways engines, and the later came vehicles such as the cars, buses, scooters and bikes. They helped greatly in transporting people and goods across the longer distances economically and in a lesser time. It also became easier to transport heavier loads to far off places. This also became an important milestone in the Industrial Revolution. Second question, state the importance of water transport. Importance of water transport. Waterways or water transport involves many modern boats and ships that can carry people, huge cargo such as the food grains, mineral or other raw materials to far off places. Ships also help people shifting from one country to another to move their household items in an economical way. Water transport is also used to move bulky goods at low rate to coastal regions both within the country and the outside it too. Specially constructed oil tankers carry oils and the petroleum products. This benefits the country's international trades. Luxury lines and the cruise ships offer luxurious way to see the world. Next question, see. Name the some special services provided by the railway. Some special services provided by the railway include the special ladies trains, guards in the every coach and the separate the coach for the physically challenged, and the mobile phones, tickets booking. Delhi, Kolkata, Gurgaon, Noida and the Mumbai have the metro trains. They have easily daily the commuting and have also reduced the travel time of the local people. Next question D. What are expressways? How do they benefit us? Express answer is expressways connect the major cities. Vehicles on these roads can cover a long distance in a short time, as these are the straight routes without a major bends, crossroads or the turns. Exit lanes are provided for the people who experiences an emergency or who want to exist or stop for a short break. Next question, question E. Write a few sentences on air transport. Air travel or air transport is the fastest and the most expensive mode of transport. State capitals and the important towns are connected by domestic airways, while towns and the cities of the other countries are connected by international airways. Airways help in transporting a high value and the time sensitive goods such as the sophisticated machines, expensive and all life-saving drugs and the other urgent medical supplies and the perishable goods like a flour, fish and the vegetables during the natural calamities or the war like the situation. Food items and the water necessary supplies are thrown from the air to the affected areas. Water and necessary supplies are thrown for the air to the affected areas. This type the airway transport help to us. Okay, here are lesson revision and exercise revision over. Now we are going to revise the next lesson, communication. In this lesson we learned communication. What is communication? Types of communication, mass communication, communication and mass communication, means of mass communication. Yes or no, kids? So the whole lesson we are going to revise in some points. Early man communicated through a sounds, signs and gestures. Samuel Morse revolutionized long distance communication with electric telegraph in 1840. Samuel Morse revolutionized long distance communication with the electric telegraph in 1840. Verbal communication was made possible by the telephone, an invention of Sir Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. Verbal communication was made possible by telephone, an invention of Sir Alexander Graham Bell in 1876. Communication which reaches a very large number of people is called the mass communication. Television is the most effective means of mass communication. The internet is the most modern means of mass communication and consists of millions of computers from all around the world linked to one another by the network of telephone lines and the cables and the satellite connection. Understood na case? Here lesson revision over. Now we are going to revise the exercise. So let us see. Fill in the blanks. We already filled it. Now we are going to revise this one. Okay? So let us see. Fill in the blanks by selecting the correct options from those given in the bracket. Samuel Morse revolutionized long distance communication with an electric telegraph in 1840. Just we are revised this one. Samuel Morse revolutionized long distances communication with an electric telegraph in 1840. B. The internet is a global network that connects computers, laptops and the mobiles. Internet is the global network that connects computers, laptops, mobiles. C. Communication. What we feel here? Communication satellite relay TV signals, phones, calls around the world. Communication satellites relay TV signals, phone calls around the world. D. The fax machine is the, what is the answer? Fax. Fax machine is the particularly helpful in places which do not have access of computers and internets. Understood, no kids? Next on the page. Next is the internet service as the medium to send and receive messages through emails. The internet service is a medium to send and receive messages through a email. Next, question number 2. Match the inventors in column A and invention to column B. Column A, column B, two columns are there. Already we matched it. Samuel Morse invented the electric telegraphs. Sir Alexander Graham Bell invented the telephone. Johannes Gutenberg is invented print media. Marconi invented the radio. John Baird invented the telephone. John Baird invented the televisions. Now we are going to revise the question answers. Answer the following questions. Answer the following questions. Question A. How did people communicate with one another in olden days? Answer. Early man communicate with one another through a sound, signs, drawing pictures and gestures using the body parts. Question B. What role does the radio play in educating the rural populations in farming practices? Special programs are relayed in the rural areas for the rural population through a radio to inform the farmers of the weather forecast, effective farming methods and the practice and the how to market their farm products and use services of government and non-government agencies. Next question C. Discuss the importance of television in modern times. Answer. The television is the most popular and the widely used means of communication and entertainment available at home. It has the advantage of the both sight and sound and is therefore the most effective means of communication. Television channels broadcast different kinds of the programs, educational, informative, entertaining, all through the day. It also plays an important role during the calamities or unexpected events and is most watched during the live cricket matches or elections. In short, television brings a different happening in our homes within a short span of time. Now next question, kids. Question D. What are communication satellites and how are they useful to us? What are communication satellites and how they are useful to us? The man-made satellites launched for the various purposes orbiting the earth called the communication satellites, and communication satellites helpful to us in many ways. They relay news, weather forecast and the entertainment programs. Communication satellites also relay the TV signals, phone calls around the world. research satellites take pictures of our planets, other planets, and the sun and the other objects. Weather satellites tell us about the weather and the different places on the earth. The pictures and the information gathered help the scientists learn about the earth and the solar system and the universe. Now last question, what is internet? The internet is the global network that connects the computers, laptops, mobiles. It serves as the medium to send and receive the messages through a mail within minutes. Understood, my kids? Here are both lesson revision, exercise revision over. Today's your homework is you read the lesson by the question answers. Thank you for watching the video.